Flagler Beach Airport, also known as KFIN, KFIN, and this is Freedom Fest 2018. Got some demos happening soon. Right now I'm just in the parking lot, about to go in, and my friend Dave is here with his Waco biplane. We might go do a little flight with him. Quite a few birds in the pattern right now flying around us, a couple warbirds. When we got here, there weren't really many planes on the ramp, but after the opening ceremony, now there's some pretty incredible machines. We'll try to talk to some of the pilots.
This is the second airplane I flew, the Navy T-28. First is a T-34, then this is a T-28. Landed these things on the aircraft carrier Lexington back in 1973. Went on from there to for American Airlines after the Navy, and then Lockheed test pilots. So this one was one of the last ones built. It's a Charlie model. It has a tail hook. There was a Bravo model and then an Alpha model. The Alpha was for the Air Force, had two-bladed prop and a 800 horsepower engine. This particular airplane has 1,425 horsepower. The engine is built in Paterson, New Jersey. It's a Wright 9-cylinder R1820, and it produces, like I said, 1,425 horsepower. The aircraft were used as trainers with the Navy, then also used as fighter bombers in Vietnam. The previous T-28 that I had was a fighter bomber trainer out in Lemoore, California, and it was used by an A-7 squadron to judge their bombing accuracy before they went to Vietnam. They weigh about 8,000 pounds. Usually the instructor would be in the back seat, the student would be in the front seat, or if you're flying by yourself and doing a mission that had something to do with attack or so on, then you'd be in the front seat all by yourself. This plane behind me had 17 years of service, was retired to Davis-Monthan, came out, was restored in the early 90s when it got done in 2005 with EAA and Oshkosh and so on. Was a grand champion, and it's probably the nicest T-28 in the country right now, or the world for that matter. It used to be out in California, different things, and now it's home base here in Florida.
Here come the jumpers with the American flag. Let's check it out. Sound of that. Yeah, we're gonna get to go fly in the biplane.
Yeah.
Yeah. You've never even been in a small plane.
Yeah. Yeah.
Got the crew, got the biplane. Let's go fly.
Once we line up, we'll walk the tail wheel. A little bit of a left crosswind. Walk up 244, runway change, clear takeoff. 6 taking off, 244.
I would love to.
Right. Doing all right? All right. Skywalk 090, runway 6, clear for takeoff. Take up at like 6.
So cool to see T-28s in formation next to you. Yeah.
Bye, Dave. See you later. If you're ever in St. Augustine, this is the tour to take.
B-25 Mitchell, made by North American, 1944. I've been flying B-25 since '89. B-25 was used in every theater of World War II. It was used in England by the Dutch and the Belgians. And then this paint scheme depicts Operation Torch, August 1943, where England basically invaded North Africa against Rommel. And you can see the color of the airplane. It's the color scheme for North Africa. They stepped up through Sicily and Italy and so forth like that and worked their way up toward Germany. There'd be pilot, co-pilot, top turret gunner, bombardier in the nose, 2 waist gunners, and a tail gunner. 2 14-cylinder or 2600 Curtiss-Wright engines, 1700 horsepower each. It never saw active service, but it did see service in Venezuela. It took about 4 years to restore it, and we got it flying in 1995, and I bought it from the owners after they both turned into angels. So I've been flying it since. Wow. And it lives at the Valiant Air Command Museum down in Titusville, Florida.
Just wanted to mention, one of the reasons I love making these videos is the history. To me, it's all about the history. The fact that there's warbirds here, that's why I'm here, is to see the warbirds and to keep that history alive. I think it's important to see where we came from and the pioneer days of aviation. This stuff is just absolutely incredible, and I'm really, really grateful for the organizations that keep these planes flying.
TBM Avenger 3W. Normally the TBM is a torpedo bomber and it has the bomb bay and it has a turret on top, but this one was originally a 3W, so it had a big radar pod and it looked kind of like a guppy, and it didn't have a pod or anything, it just had a deck to cover the radars, and it had a crew of 3, 2 radio operators in the belly, and then 1 pilot. This was a Netherlands plane, so it was built in '45, sent over. It went from Norfolk to the Netherlands and served with them until the '50s, and then it went to a museum. Heritage Flight Foundation was put together to conserve aviation history, so we have this, we have T6 Texan, the orange bird dog that's over there, and we do a whole bunch of different air shows with our aircraft.
Freedom Fest 2018. It's really cool, really fun time. If anyone ever flies into KFIN, Flagler Beach Airport, there's a restaurant connected to it right behind me. We are not going to stay for the fireworks this year, but maybe next year.
Pull it back to about 20 on the manifold, come back on the prop a little bit, check the mixture real quick.